We have 3 new features we just released in SureCart. Let me show you one of them really quick. This right here is the demo we have, demo.surecart.com. And here is one of the products right here. So what I did is I took this image, I popped it in an AI model, Sora from OpenAI, to turn it into a 5-second video. Now here's the demo that I use, and I'm going to show this new feature, one of the 3 new features. You can see here's the image gallery, but if you notice, the second image is actually not an image, it's a video, and you can tell because there's a play icon there in the bottom left. And when I click on it, you'll see you can now play videos inside of your gallery. So now it's not an image gallery, it's a video/image gallery. And I think videos are a big deal because it's becoming very easy to make. Now, don't judge the feature by the video. I made that in just a matter of a few minutes, and I'm certainly not the most experienced at taking an image and turning it into a video, although I have been working on some things with that. But AI video generation is going to get so much more improved in the coming months. We're adding videos now. Obviously, you can have full-on explainer videos. Any kind of video can go into your image gallery. So let me show you these 3 new features. So I'm going to go into one of my products here and show you some of the changes to how media is added to one of your products. So I'm at the media section, and traditionally this was always images, but now it's images and videos. But there are some visual changes that are going to make some other things easier as well. First, I'll focus on adding a video. I'll click on Add. I'll click over here where it says Upload Files, and I'm going to choose that video file that I had created. All right, the video is being added. Here it is. I'll click on it, and then over on the bottom right, I'm going to choose Select. And so now you see the thumbnail of the video. But when I click on the edit icon over here, there's some options for this video. And the first option is to choose the poster image. This is what someone will see before they click on the play button. You can choose an image from your library, or you can click on this button right here and you can have SureCart generate a thumbnail. So let's do that. I'll click on this. It spins for a second and it created a thumbnail for the video. It's a frame from the video. Great. And then next thing you'll want to do is set the aspect ratio. So there's various options here depending on the aspect ratio of your video. For this video, it's the classic portrait, which is 2:3. And when I was making the video creator allowed me to choose what this aspect ratio was. And there it is right there. I'll scroll down and I'll click on Done, and there is our video. I'll click on Save Product. And if I wanted to rearrange this, I can drag and drop it wherever I want, just like that. I've made a change and now I need to save the product again. So let's click on View Product. And here it is. You can see there is my thumbnail image. I click on it, I click on play, and there's my video. Now there's another change. I don't know if you caught it. We made it easier to assign images to product variations. So I'm in a variable product right here. I have different variations for size. This would be more if you're having different variations for color or something that has a visual change, and maybe you want a different image for the size. So if you are using variations for your product, check this out. I'm going to hover over an image. I'm going to click on the icon to edit it. The slide out panel appears, and here's a new option that you'll see in the slide out panel that says variation. And you can choose by clicking on this the variation you want this image to appear for. So let me demonstrate this. Say for that video I just created, I only want this to appear when someone has selected the medium variation. So I'll click on Done and I'll click on Save Product. So now let's take a look at the product. If you notice, you don't see the video down here, and that's because I assigned it to show only for a specific variation, which was medium. So if I choose medium, there is my video. If I choose any of the other variations, you notice it doesn't show. Back to the product editor, you notice that image, or a video in this case, that I assigned to a specific variation variation, you see a badge on the bottom left corner, which is that variation's name. So at a glance, when I'm looking at this, I can see which media items are going to appear for which product variations. Let me do that again. Say here's an image. I'll click on edit, and I only want this to appear for the large variation. I'll click on done. And so now you can see the video is set to medium. This image is now set to large. All you have to do is remember to click on Save Product. The next feature is one that experienced funnel builders have been asking us for, and that is for one-click upsells to replace the main order. There's lots of examples of why you would want to use this and why you would need this. Experienced funnel builders know what they're talking about. A basic example is maybe you sell a training program, someone purchases that training program, and instead of just sending them to the access and to their customer dashboard, you offer them a one-click upsell that maybe includes more than that training program. It's the next level up, and there's all sorts of things included in that. Well, you would want that purchase, the one-click upsell, to replace what was in the main order. Let me show you how to set it all up. If you're not familiar with our upsell feature, we have a full tutorial video on it. It's an amazing feature. What you want to do is click on products, go into upsells. I already have an upsell created. Let me go ahead and click into it. So SureCart lets you have these conditional upsell funnels where there can be upsells, downsells, multiple upsells, by the way, and you can run them all dynamically. So what we're looking at is a funnel that I created, and down here you add your products. So the first offer is for this office chair, and then I can have an optional second upsell or a downsell right here. But to get into the options, you can click on these three dots, click on edit offer. You get this slide out panel that allows you to configure everything. And right here it says when accepted. So this is under behavior. When accepted, you can either add to the order or replace the entire order. So with replace the entire order set, if someone buys this one-click upsell, what the product is going to completely replace what the original order was. All you have to do is go down here and then click on update offer, and now you've configured it. And the last new feature for this release is dispute logging inside of SureCart. So when you're looking at orders and subscriptions, whenever payments are made, we have statuses. Let me show you. So here I am at the order screen, and you can see here's the status column, and you can see all of these orders, and they're all test orders. They're marked as paid. And when I click into an order, you can see here at the top, it says paid as well. And when you scroll down, you can see from the payment method, and if there's a description, you can see all these statuses. Well, now, if one of your customers disputes a transaction, these statuses will change. The way it works is a buyer would dispute a transaction with their payment provider. Then your payment processor becomes aware of the dispute. And then if an order is in dispute, this would change from paid to dispute. This essentially is paving the way to a future feature that we will be building, which is entire histories of an order. So there you have it, another big update, and we have some big new features coming up. We have advanced fees and discounts. I'm super excited about that feature. We have product reviews coming. We have starter templates and a redesigned dashboard page. We're excited. Oh, and I can't leave out Razorpay as a payment method. These are coming up. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel to know when these features are coming out. And if you have any questions about these features, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.